Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. If you're looking for a dedicated battery solution for dash cam parking mode, the BlackVue B130A PowerMagic Ultra battery is designed specifically for that job. Instead of relying directly on your vehicle's starter battery while the engine is off, the B130A stores energy while you're driving and then supplies power to a compatible dash cam when the vehicle is parked. So, is this product really worth buying? The numbers give us a pretty interesting answer. The B130A has a 12.8-volt, 7,500 mAh Leaf APO4 battery with a rated capacity of 96 Wh, giving it a substantial amount of stored energy in a relatively slim package. BlackVue lists dimensions of approximately 152.7 by 206 by 33.6 millimeters, or about 6.0 by 8.11 by 1.32 inches, and the unit weighs around 1.52 kilograms, or 3.35 pounds. What do those numbers actually mean in real-world use? The important figure here is parking mode runtime. BlackVue specifies up to about 30 hours based on a single dash cam consuming 3 watts, while its current product information gives up to 39 hours with a 1-channel BlackVue camera and up to 22 hours with a 2-channel setup, depending on the camera and its power consumption. That makes the B130A particularly interesting for drivers who want extended monitoring while their vehicle is parked. Charging speed is another major part of the design. With a hardwired installation, BlackVue specifies approximately 50 minutes for charging, while a cigarette lighter installation takes around 90 minutes under the specified charging conditions. The B130A also supports both 12-volt and 24-volt vehicle electrical systems, so its intended range includes regular passenger vehicles as well as larger commercial and heavy-duty vehicles. And because this is a dedicated dash cam battery rather than a general-purpose portable power station, the system is built around automatic power management. While driving, the battery charges and can power the dash cam at the same time. When the ignition is switched off, the power source can transition to the battery for parking mode. Why is this such a popular choice? A big reason is the Leaf APO4 battery chemistry. BlackVue specifies lithium iron phosphate cells, along with battery protection circuitry and temperature protection. Charging is specified from 0 to 45 degrees Celsius, while discharging is rated from 10 to 60 degrees Celsius, with a high temperature cutoff around 80 degrees Celsius and a low temperature charging cutoff below 0 degrees Celsius. The B130A also adds Bluetooth connectivity, allowing battery information to be checked through the BlackVue app. Depending on the operating state, the app can display information such as battery charge status, charging voltage, estimated charging time, and available parking mode time. There's also a USB output rated at up to 5 volts and 2 amps, which can provide power for accessories such as a smartphone or Wi-Fi hotspot while the dashcam is operating. The dashcam output is rated from 11 to 14.2 volts with up to 2 amps, giving the battery a dedicated power path for compatible dashcam systems. Another useful part of the design is installation flexibility. The B130A can be connected through a cigarette lighter setup for a simpler installation or hardwired into the vehicle for faster charging. So, is the BlackVue B130A worth considering? If your priority is extending dash cam parking mode operation with a dedicated 96 Wh Leaf APO4 battery, automatic power management, Bluetooth monitoring, USB power, and support for both 12V and 24V systems, the specification sheet makes a strong case for what this battery is designed to accomplish. Rather than treating parking mode as a short add-on feature, the B130A turns it into a dedicated, battery-powered monitoring system that can continue working after the vehicle is switched off. The combination of capacity, charging speed, compact dimensions, app connectivity, and dedicated dashcam output makes it a purpose-built companion for compatible parking mode setups. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.